Okay, now we are going to start chapter 7, estimation and hypothesis testing. Okay, what is estimation method? Okay, it is the process by which sample data are used to indicate the value of unknown quantity in the population is called estimate. Okay, awak nampak Okay, kalau tak nampak tengok pada notes awak. Okay, sample measure are used to estimate population measure. When we calculate any quantity from the sample data to estimate the population parameter, the quantity is known as estimator. Okay, point estimation is a single number calculated from the sample to estimate the population. That means we need to find the population parameter, okay, the population parameter by using the sample data. We call it as point estimate. Okay, we need to find the population parameter, which is mean, population variance, population standard deviation, by taking the data from the samples. We call it as point estimate. So the sample ni maksudnya sample mean, sample variance, sample standard deviation. So kita ambil daripada data from the samples to calculate the population parameter. Okay, so look at example 1. Okay, they are given total x and total x squared and sample size. Find the point estimate of population mean and variance. So we need to find the population mean and variance by taking the data from the samples. Okay, by using the point estimate, which is we need to find the population mean by using point estimate. It is sample mean and then sample variance. Okay, so we need to find population mean by using the data from the samples. Okay, population mean, that means sample mean. Okay, it is equal sample mean. Kita ambil data from the samples. Okay, so how to calculate the sample mean? Okay, by using formula total x divided by n. So we know that total x is 67 and then divided by sample size, which is 10. Okay, so you can solve, you get 6.7. Okay, and then how to find the population variance? Okay, the point estimate for population variance, it is sample variance. Okay, and then we have to use the formula total x square minus total x times total x square divided by n, and then divide n minus 1. Okay, this is formula to get the sample variance. Okay, so total x square is 463.04 minus total x, it is 67, and then you have to square, divide sample size, which is 10, and then divided by 10 minus 1, which is 9, and then try calculate, you will get 1.5711. So this is the answer. Okay, we need to find the population parameter, population mean, population variance, by taking the data from the samples. We call it as point estimation. So sample mean dengan sample variance ni adalah point estimation for population mean and variance. Okay, boleh faham nah? Alright, look at next one, confidence interval. Okay, what is confidence interval? Okay, confidence interval, it is also called interval estimation. Okay, the two numbers calculated that the data obtained from the sample to form an interval within which the parameter is expected to lie by using the specific confidence level. What is confidence level? It is the probability that the interval estimate will contain the parameter, assuming that a large number of samples are selected and the estimation process on the sample parameter is repeated. That means we also need to find the population mean. Okay, the population mean, we need to find the population mean, okay, by taking data from the samples. Okay, we call it as point estimate. Okay, to form an interval, or we call it as range value. Okay, by using the confidence level. What is confidence level? It is probability. Okay, probability will be given in the equations. So we need to find the population mean, okay, by taking the data from the samples. Okay, we call it as point estimation there. And then by using the confidence level, the probability there. Okay, by using the probability that will be given in the equations. Okay, so look at number 1, the confidence interval for the mean where the large samples, okay, and it is more than or equal to t, and the standard deviation of population is known. Okay, so how to find the population mean is by using this formula. Okay, by using this formula, but I make it short. The formula is x bar plus minus z alpha over 2 times standard deviation divided by square root n. Okay, this is the shortcut way. Okay, actually formula dia sama. Okay, formula dia sama. Okay, kalau awak perasan kat situ, x bar minus z alpha over 2 times standard deviation divided by square root n. Okay, the range values there, and then sample mean plus z alpha over 2 times standard deviation divided by square root n. Formula dia sama. Okay, we need to find the population mean by using this formula. Okay, 1 minus 1 positive. Okay, 1 negative, 1 positive. That means you have to minus and then you have to plus. So I make it the short way. Okay, the short formula. Okay, x bar plus minus z alpha over 2 times standard deviation divided by square root n. Okay, formula dia sama saja, cumanya plus minus I make it the short formula. Okay, this is the formula we gonna use. Okay, okay, what is x bar? X bar it is sample mean. Okay, sample mean, we call it as point estimation. Okay, we call it as point estimation, a sample mean there. And then plus minus times, okay, plus minus z alpha over 2. Z alpha over 2 ni, that means we need to find the z value. Okay, kalau tengok pada notes awak kat sini. Okay, z alpha over 2, it is z value with an area alpha over 2 in the right tail of a standard normal distribution. So later I will show you how to find the z value, and then you have to times, okay, times dengan standard deviation of population divided by square root n, which is sample size dia. Okay, this one will be given in the questions. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to find the z value first. Okay, look at example 2. Look at example 2. Okay, find the value of z alpha over 2 where the 90% confidence level. Okay, that means yang A tu, okay, 90% of confidence level. CL ni, that means confidence level dia. Okay, 90% confidence level. This question will be given. Okay, 90% ni, that means confidence level ni adalah probability dia. Okay, so we need to find the area in the right tail of a standard normal distribution. So we know that standard normal distribution, we use the graph, bell-shaped graph. Okay, so 90% confidence level ni, let's say dekat sini, this is 90% area dia. Okay, area 90% of the confidence interval, dia punya probability dia. But we want to find the z alpha over 2. Okay, z alpha over 2, that means alpha over 2 is the in the right tail, the area in the right tail, dekat sini. Okay, we need to find area in the right tail. Okay, so this is alpha over 2. Why over 2? Okay, because we have the right tail and the left tail. The right tail and the left tail. So that is why we need to divide 2. Okay, because we only need the area in the right tail. Okay, so how to find the z value? We have to 1 minus 0.9. Why 1? Because the total area equals to 1. Okay, the total area equals to 1. So 90% it is 0.9. And then you have to divide 2. Okay. 1 minus 0.9, you will get 0.05. Sorry. 0.1. Okay, and then you have to divide 2. 1 minus 0.9 is 0.1, the area in the right tail and left tail. But we have to divide 2 because we only need the area in the right tail. That is why we need to divide 2. Okay, so the answer is 0.05. Okay, so 0.05 ni adalah alpha over 2, area dia. But we need to find the Z value. Z value for area in the right tail, which is 0.05. So Z value for area 0.05. How to find the Z value? By using table statistics. Okay, look at table statistics. How to find the Z value? So we know that the area in the right tail is 0.05. So kena cari dulu kat sini. This is the area, the probability dia. Okay, to find the Z value, the left column and the top column. So the area 0.05. Awak start dengan left column first, 0.05. Okay, dah jumpa kat sini. Dan awak kena cari 0.05. Okay, kalau tak ada, that means you have to take the closest one. Okay, which is 1.64. Okay, you have to take the closest one, 1.64. Okay, the probability dia adalah 0.0505 kat sini. Okay, this is the closest one. Okay, so 1.64. So the Z value is 1.64. Okay, this is how to find the Z value using the confidence level that will be given in the questions. Okay, what about B? Okay, B is, let's say it is given 95% confidence level. Okay, 95% confidence level. So we need to find the Z value alpha over 2. Okay, so we need to draw the graph. Okay, 95% is here, let's say. So we need to find the area in the right tail. How to find? So we know that the total area is equals to 1. Then you have to minus 0.95. 95% it is 0.95. Okay, you will get, sorry, 1 minus 0.95, and then you have to divide 2. Why? Because we only need the area in the right tail. So we have two tail here, left and right. But we only need the right tail, that is why we have to divide 2. Okay, so 1 minus 0.95 divided by 2, you will get 0.025. So this is area dia, alpha over 2, which is 0.025. So to get the Z value alpha over 2, okay, alpha over 2 we know that 0.025. So the Z value for probability 0.025. So you have to find 0.025. 0.02. Okay. This one. Okay, the close this one 0.025, which is 1.96. 1.96. 1.96, 0.025. So the Z value is 1.96. Okay, for confidence level 95%. Okay, you found now how to find the Z value alpha over 2 for area in the right tail only. Okay, so I want you guys, okay, proceed to find the Z value 97% confidence level and 99% confidence level, C and D. Try do on your own. Okay, cuba buat. later kita discuss. Alright.